What if you could unlock the secrets to financial freedom and start building lasting wealth today? Welcome to the Money Mentor Hub, where we turn financial dreams into reality. My name is Steven, the creator behind this channel. With over 10 years of experience working in investment banking across Europe's major cities and leading global players as a key finance executive, I bring insider knowledge straight to you. On this channel, I dive deep into money-saving hacks that keep more cash in your pocket, smart investing tips to grow your wealth, proven strategies to generate passive income, and essential business development advice for aspiring entrepreneurs. I post new, actionable videos every week, each designed to empower you with the tools and insights you need to take control of your financial future. From unveiling innovative side hustles to demystifying the complexities of the stock market, our content is tailored to make a real impact. Ready to embark on your journey towards financial mastery? Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to success. Your path to financial freedom starts here at the Money Mentor Hub. Let's make your money work for you. Subscribe now and do not miss out on the wealth of knowledge awaiting you.